Sharing with you my devotion today. Naranasan mo na bang muntik ka nang magdesisyon ng padalos-dalos? Galit na galit ka na, gusto mo nang bumawi pero may humarang sa'yo? That might just be God saving you from yourself. Sabi sa 1 Samuel chapter 25 verse 34, "If you had not come quickly to meet me, surely not one male belonging to Nabal would have been left alive by morning." Ito ang sabi ni David kay Abigail kasi muntik na siyang pumatay dahil sa galit. Pero pinigilan siya ng Diyos gamit ang isang matalinong babae. Naniniwala tayo that God's grace doesn't just save us from others, it also saves us from our own bad decisions. Minsan, yung hindi pagtuloy ng plano mo ay protection ni Lord. And sometimes, He sends a voice, maaaring a friend, a message, or a verse to wake you up before you fall. Like Abigail to David, God will use people to remind you. You don't have to take revenge. Let God handle it. Say this prayer today. Sabihin mo, Lord, salamat dahil kahit minsan nagagalit ako, you protect me from doing what I'll regret. And kung na-experience mo na rin to, i-comment mo sa video na to, thank you Lord for stopping me. And share this video to someone who's about to make a big emotional decision. Maybe this is the sign they've been praying for. Remember, let God fight your battles, not your emotions.